Late at night, got a crazy idea, got some small nuts, gonna make them bigger, pop them in the microwave, turn up the heat, gonna see what happens, a magical feat. Counting down, anticipation's rising, in the microwave my nuts are sizing. As I wait for the ding, I hold my breath, will they be massive or will it be dead? Oh no! Microwave magic, what have I done? Now I got beanbag balls that weigh a ton. Jump on them for transport, they're digging their round. Microwave magic, the talk of the town. Microwave magic, they're soft and squishy, like a bouncy ball I can sit on, relax, have a ball. Jumping on my nuts, feeling oh so free, a peculiar sensation just for me. Oh baby, microwave magic, what have I done? Now I got beanbag balls that weigh a ton. Jump on them for transport, they're digging their round. Microwave magic, the talk of the town. Microwave magic, they're soft and squishy, like a bouncy ball I can sit on, relax, have a ball. Jumping on the nuts, feeling oh so free, a peculiar sensation just for me. Oh baby, microwave magic, what have I done?